Okay. Uh, well, I really fancy the talks. I've visited so much more talks than on regular previous conferences I've been. And every talk I've visited is resonating to what I've been working recently, to what I'm thinking. So I really appreciate the focus for me as a solution architect. It's very close and very responding to my needs and interests, actually. Of course, as well, very happy to see colleagues. With many colleagues, we are seeing each other not for the first time already. We've seen sequentially on several conferences. Yeah, hope to see you again. Thanks.
Hey guys, I'm not a solution architect, but to me, this is yet another opportunity to meet people, to talk about, their aspirations, to get to know what's going on in the market, what's going on in particular in Barcelona. Again, it's our second visit as Epam to Barcelona conferences, so this is our second attempt, again, talk a little bit about what we do, to listen to the feedback from people here. There's a lot of exciting stories that we've heard today, both during the talks and during more of an informal networking. And I wish there were more events like that. I wish there were like many more meetups and other kind of technical and maybe social gatherings, just to give people an opportunity to connect, to a little bit recuperate after what COVID took away from us, this working from the office daily, being with your colleagues. And again, many thanks for organizing it, and we sincerely hope that we're going to get a chance to participate next year.